What's up? So we back with another one. So today, as y'all can tell from the thumbnail and the title, we are dyeing our locks. This set for the first time. So yeah, y'all stick around. I was going for a burgundy color, but I'll let y'all see what colors that I do have that I'm gonna mix together. And whatever color come out, that's what it come out. So y'all stay around. Okay, so things that we will be using today, we have our bowl, we have our powder. I got 3 on because I got a big ass head. Then we have our 30 and our 20 developer. But being that we're coming from straight black brown hair, I'm going to go ahead and probably do a 50 developer. Then I have my dyes. So I have Truly Red, and then I have this one. This is for when y'all see. And then we have us a little infuser. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so this is how my consistency look, like a perm. Now let's go ahead and put it in. So I'm gonna start with around the perimeter of my head, but y'all never mind my facial expressions at this point. It's real strong. Y'all know this if y'all have ever worked with dye and bleaching. Y'all see it's lifting. Let's go mix our color up. Okay, y'all, so this is the results before we rinse it out. We only been in, I want to say like 10 minutes in, not even that, and we are all the way blonde. So I'm going ahead and rinse this out and go ahead and put this color in here and see what it come out. Y'all, I am a ginger.
You're a ginger?
Yes.
Wait, I gotta turn my head that way. Hold on. Right there, ginger. Oh, yeah, you damn so well. You need to take some of that brassiness out of it before you put that color on top.
I know, that's what I just was putting that soap. That's what I was saying. I still got soap in my head. I just watched it like 2 times, but I'm finna wash it one more time. We'll rinse the rest of this soap out and then put this stuff on there. Or you think I should wash it again with that brass soap?
Yeah, that purple soap.
Yeah.
Cinnamon lights, yeah.
Okay, y'all, and these will be the shampoos I will be using. They are Color Care Conditioner and Color Care Shampoo from Pretty some motherfucking body. I don't know. Y'all, I am so scared to see how this color gonna look, but we can't turn back now. We done mixed it all together already, as y'all saw already. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting it on our head. Pray for me. Okay, it's giving it a little burgundy, but it might be so light though. But who knows? I'm gonna go ahead and get my hairline. Y'all, it's giving me like it's gonna give a orange or something. All right, let me stop playing. We'll be back. To Mikey, if you ain't about to eat it, tell him he can have it. No, I don't want it.
Oh. Well, it's
If you don't want it,
I'll give it to him.
Mike, ask him do he want some. It's some more chicken stuff on us.
But it look good. It's a good color on you.
Okay, y'all, so that's how it came out. Anywho, let's go.